Hello guys, in this video I will try to change the gear shifter knob. I have a new one on me. I hope it will work. With the letter it's almost the same. Let's do it. So first place we need to take this off. To do this, just pull up. Okay, from the corners. And then you have here a nut which you need to rotate to the left, like that. Okay, and after just you need to do is to pull up the shifter, just like that. Now let's compare this. Maybe will not fit. I think this is 14. Anyway, I will write to you in the description video, or maybe it work. Okay, and now the important part is how to take off the letter. And that's the question. I will try to take off the ring like that, and the letter will fall off. This is very heavy in compare with this. It's heavy. Now let's put the letter in here. And I don't know how to do this, but we will try. Okay, this is the ring. Now let's put it on shift. And rotate to the ring. Rotate the ring. After you lock the ring, just what you need to do is to pull the chrome down and push it here in the place.